I'm going to give you another move today that'll help activate your glutes on your leg day. This can definitely become part of your routine to fire up your hip extensors, your IT bands, get your glutes going. We're going to just be doing some steps from side to side, and I'll give you a few cues that'll perfect your form. So I've got the band on just above my knees. I'm going to start at shoulder width apart, and then when I step, I'm going to go past shoulder width. So I'm not closing that stance. I'm already starting with a bit of tension on the band. My feet are straight. I'm not going to lead with the toes when I step. I'm going to keep my feet straight the whole movement, and I'm going to keep my whole foot planted on both sides. So make sure you're not rolling the ankles when you're stepping. Shoulders back and down. Slight hip hinge, that'll get the hammies and glutes going right away before you start stepping. From here, I'm going to step past shoulder width and come over with the other foot. As you can see, I'm not going up and down with the rest of my body. I'm locked in that hip hinge, and all I'm focusing on is that step. The cue that I like to use is to think of ripping that band. So you're stepping as far as you can, like you're trying to rip the band without turning the ankles or standing up. Hope that helps, and you can add it to your next leg day.